What's up guys, it's me Rob. Thanks for tuning into the Robson Knowledge YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you guys a quick way to find your iPhone if you happen to misplace it or something and you have your Apple Watch on you. So there's a quick thing you can do. So say we misplace our iPhone here. All you need to do is just swipe up for the little control panel and hit this little button right here with the phone with the little vibration marks next to it, and that will ping your iPhone. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. And if you can hear that, that is the sound it will play. Now it only plays it one time like it just did, so you can just walk around and hit that until you hear it. The nice thing is this also works on silent mode, because that's what it's on right now. As you can see, there's the ringer, silent. And it still works. So this is a quick way that you could find your phone without using like Find My iPhone or a similar app like that. Thanks for watching guys. If this helped you out, please slap the thumbs up button. It helps me out so much. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the little bell notification so you're notified every time that I post a new video. Until next time guys, I will talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Peace out.